Hi, beloveds. Don't burn your bridges. The grass is not always greener. You may not even know until you get there. Should you even try? You want to think about this. What are the formal hours and what are the actual hours that you would be working? How much will you be working? Think about, will you get along with your new boss? Will you get along with your new coworkers? Will you even feel comfortable in the work environment and the atmosphere? These are really good questions, and they have nothing to do with the salary. Because the truth is, salary isn't always everything. If it were, people would not quit jobs without another job lined up, and that happens every day. Some people leave a great paying job for less pay or for unstable pay because for them, there's something they want that salary can't give them. Some desires, some values are literally priceless. So beloveds, remember, the grass is not always greener. There may not even be grass. So don't burn your bridges just in case you want to go back to your former job. I've worked in jobs where people left and came back. They've had a party and everything. And then here they are back 2-3 months later. It happens. I've seen it. I've also heard of people who wanted to come back and they weren't welcome. Plan accordingly. So if you need help with your resume, job search, or finding your dream career lifestyle, send me a message. Let's talk. Take care and see you next time, beloveds. Bye-bye.